Hey, welcome to Marvelous, where we make it super easy to audit your website, improve your optimization, and monitor your AI mentions. Let's get into it. Once you first sign up, you'll notice that Marvelous has already started the auditing process by analyzing your homepage to see what topic or keyword that you're trying to optimize for. All right, so for this example, I'm going to be auditing, improving, and monitoring a website called contentbeast.com. And as we discussed, it already audited the homepage and it determined that the homepage is targeting this topic called free article writer. As you can see, if you click on this little down arrow, that you can see all the prompts that Marvelous is going to be tracking to see whether or not you're mentioned when they're searched by major AI models. You can also see your AI score, what your mention rate is, and of course you can view the actual audit. Once you go into the actual audit, you can start to see a little bit more information about the prompts you're tracking. You can see which models you're being mentioned for and which ones you're not. You can see tasks to do this week. You can see what competitors are actually beating you for those prompts. And then you can get into more information like our overview, how many AI visibility tasks that Marvelous determined that you need to complete, SEO tasks, whether or not you're adhering to Google Eat signals. And then you can actually see the individual tasks that Marvelous is recommending. You can see that it wants you to add testimonials or reviews. It wants you to add original stats, and it tells you how to do each one of those items as well. And whenever you see an item that you think you want to complete, you just go ahead and click add to roadmap, and that will add to your marketing checklist. So you can always keep track of what you're doing and not doing. Up here, you'll see your total score, your AI score, your SEO score, what topic you're going after. And we also put SEO tasks on here as well because that matters. Again, you can see what tasks Marvelous wants you to do to make sure that you're ranked high in Google. As you complete tasks, you can easily just check them off, or you can just rerun the audit and it'll check those tasks for you. If you're an agency or if you want to share the audit with a team member, just go ahead and click the share button. Pretty simple. Anytime, go back to the AI visibility page and add more service pages, more product pages, and more blog post pages to track those prompts and improve your AI optimization. So a few other tools that you should know about here are your growth tasks, that kind of roadmap that you can add tasks to that we clicked add to roadmap for earlier. You can ask Marvelous to add more tasks for you under different various categories. You can manually add tasks. All these things should help improve your AI visibility. You can see your brand profile. This is what different AI models think of your brand. You can correct some of these things, improve them. You can also see your customer persona profile. So who are your target customers? Marvelous does all this for you. You can edit it. You can regenerate new personas. You can add personas. This again helps with Marvelous understanding your brand. You can also click on your competitors to see each one of your competitors that Marvelous thinks that you're up against when trying to get AI visibility. You can add, edit, or delete competitors as you go through the process. And you can click on the Google rankings page to see what keywords your website is ranking for, what position you're in for those different keywords, and what page is actually ranking. And then of course you can see keyword opportunities, how many clicks, impressions, and more. And if you're an agency, you can use the toggle button up here to switch back and forth from different client websites. So you can manage, audit, and improve your client websites right from one space. You can also use our agency tools section over here. This is where you generate and monitor all your leads. It's kind of like a mini CRM. This is the lead generator tool, which is a free AI website audit tool that you can embed on your top landing pages, completely white labeled, add your own colors. It's the exact same tool that we use on our homepage and several of our top landing pages. So this will have your colors, your branding. You can embed it on your top landing pages and it'll generate beautiful audit reports within 60 seconds for the visitors that land on your website. So most websites convert like 1 or 2% people into actual leads. This tool will convert probably closer to 30%. So 1 out of 100 people would contact you before, 30 out of 100 will contact you if you embed this right on your website. That's it. That's how Marvelous works. Make sure that you look out for our weekly email that comes every Monday morning showing you which prompts you're being mentioned for and which prompts you're not being mentioned for and what you can do to get mentioned by those prompts. Thanks for watching.